Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Aliff Farhan bin Norazilan. My message number is 08BKA19F1077. So my topic is wash clothes using a washing machine. Washing machine is the greatest invention for the industrial revolution. For those who are married, it can facilitate the work for the wife. So why is important to wash our clothes? It is because when we do something, our body will become sweat and the cloth will absorb it. So our clothes will become damp and smelly. If we wear clothes that are damp, so our body will become itchy and we can get a skin disease. So we should wash our clothes using a detergent for a smell good and clean to wear, and we can avoid from get a skin disease. Before we start, we need to make sure that switches are on. So next, prepare a cloth for wash. And next, remove dry dirt from the clothes. Next is put clothes into washing machine. Next is sort the garment. So we need to sort the garment. Next is set water temperature and time. Next is put detergent into washing machine. Then next is wash the clothes. So next we should put the clothes into the basket. So the last step is we should dry the clothes. And that's all from me. Thank you.